Live presentation with Peerceptiv allows instructors to run assignments where students give presentations which are reviewed by their peers. Engage each student in your course by having them thoughtfully review their peers' presentations, either during or after the presentation. Students can review their peers' presentations anonymously. They'll see a list of presenters and can either select which student they're going to review or review the presentations which have been manually assigned by the instructor. Continue watching to see how you can use Peerceptiv to elevate your classroom participation and learning. Peerceptiv assignments are highly customizable and can often be connected to your organization's learning management system. Once you've opened Peerceptiv, you can create the assignment using our standard workflow. Select live presentation for individuals or live presentations for groups. Be sure to set the submission deadline before the first presentation date. This will ensure that your students are able to review while presentations are live. Set the review deadline for the final date when students can complete reviews. Students will not be able to review after the review deadline has passed. Use the gear icon to edit the settings for your assignment. If your students are required to submit materials alongside their presentation, then you can choose to require file, link, or text submissions, and should turn off the live presentation option. If, however, your students do not need to upload presentation materials, then you should check the live presentation submission and turn off all other submission options. Now, determine how the reviews will be distributed. Students can select who they will review, instructors can assign reviews manually, and students can review within small groups, also called review circles. Instructor control mode allows instructors to control which presentation is actively reviewed by all students in real time. We will demonstrate this process later on in the video. Once your assignment is created, you'll need to add a rubric. You can import a rubric from a past assignment or even use Peerceptiv's presentation rubric. Comment and rating prompts can be edited, removed, and you can add more by selecting Add Prompt at the top of the page. If this is a group assignment, you'll be able to create and manage groups using the tab on the left-hand side. You can manually create the groups within Peerceptiv, upload a group list, auto-generate groups, or sync your LMS groups. If your assignment is set up to allow for live presentation submissions and you're not requiring students to submit additional presentation materials, you may submit on behalf of all students. To do so, select the Advanced drop-down menu on the dashboard, then press Manage Reviews, Options, then Submit All Live Presentations for review. If you've chosen instructor control mode in the assignment settings, you'll see the option to assign active review on the main dashboard. During the review phase, you can select the student or group that's currently giving their presentation, and all students will be required to review that presentation in real time. If you're not using instructor control mode, all students will be able to review once the submission phase has ended. They'll see the list of presentations on their dashboard and can choose which presentation to review. Students will be able to see all of their reviews received in their Student Results tab as soon as they're entered by their peers. Overall grades will be calculated once the assignment has completed. Instructors will be able to see and export detailed analytics about individual and overall class performance. Increase student engagement online or in person and enhance classroom learning through live presentation with Peerceptiv.